The Sumerian civilization was one of the earliest civilizations in the world, and it existed in Mesopotamia, which is present day Iraq. The Sumerians lived in the region between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, and they developed a unique culture and society that lasted for thousands of years. One of the most important achievements of the Sumerian civilization was the invention of writing. The Sumerians developed a system of writing called cuneiform, which used a stylus to make marks on clay tablets. This allowed them to keep records, write laws, and tell stories, which helped preserve their culture and history. The Sumerians were also known for their advances in agriculture. They developed irrigation systems that allowed them to grow crops in the dry, arid land between the rivers. They also domesticated animals, such as sheep and goats, which provided them with wool, milk, and meat. In addition to their achievements in writing and agriculture, the Sumerians were also skilled craftsmen. They made pottery, jewelry, and metalwork, which they traded for other civilizations in the region. They also built impressive structures such as temples and ziggurats, which were massive stepped pyramids used for religious ceremonies. Despite their many accomplishments, the Sumerian civilization eventually declined due to a combination of factors, including environmental changes, invasions, and internal conflicts. However, their legacy continued to influence the region for centuries, and their inventions and ideas continue to impact our world today. The Sumerian civilization was a remarkable example of human achievement and ingenuity. From their innovations in writing and agriculture to their impressive architecture and craftsmanship, the Sumerians left a lasting mark on the world. Learning about their culture and history can help us appreciate the many ways in which people have shaped the world around us and inspire us to create our own legacies of innovation and progress. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.